So I don't want nobody to call my phone like my own or something. I got a loan my own, yeah. Oh, I mean, I like people. I trick on you know. Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy you a jelly bed, cause that way you get a fuck with. Yeah. Oh, Mooney to get bum buckler then. And you get X1 dimmer. Mooney do 13 years. Informer pussy all Mooney. What do you when them put out a video about me and thief money out of the G bag? After me I try all the bumbo all feed not drop off a stage. Yo, batty boy Mooney. Send the video to the man and tell the man about watch ya. Everybody knows them I love Addy. Who could I make me turn for my boss? Who could I make me turn for my boss? I'm angry. I'm angry at him. I'm angry at him because him for deal with some business for me and him not deal with it.
Yeah, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you and you and you and you. It's your birthday, enjoy it. Don't let no one destroy it.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless the love and greatest, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lioness, big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV, and what a man of peace. And me always sit at the violence off the streets, living love, unity, and strength. Anyway, they are checking right now to this vlog. I wish you all lot more blessings and happiness, and I mean guidance and protection upon you and your loved ones. You see me in this episode here, we have Lisa Hyper address some matter. After Foot Hype went out and said, yo, Kartel for buy her the Benz, when promise her before she start talk one bag of things, and next time I call her before she start talk up the things them. So we know after that we see Lisa I went and do a video where she lash out and talk about the Shawn stamp Benz, and she get a different Benz and she burn out Mooney, and you see me? And then we have a next video after that now where she did at the airport and say, yo, she tricked the crowd, and you know one bag of sitting. But I'm not gonna hear what I want. I might interject at some parts, but yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. See? Alright, big up on yourself. But overall, I think Lisa Hype needs help, you know? Yeah, she got off back again, is it?
Clark body and me. I don't want nobody call my phone. I don't want nobody look to me. I'm my own big woman. I'm 36. I'm not last. Gonna breeze me.
Lisa Hype want to breeze her, give her some space. Yeah, she say? She gonna breeze her, give her some space, man. And you hear the song when she listen? We are kick it with myself a little bit. Popcorn Chronicle, big song.
Breeze me and breeze my phone. Because I don't want this too much.
Y'all have been warned. Give her space, leave her alone, make sure you recover and heal, you know? Yes, man, mentally.
Remember, you know, when everybody did that say I'm mad, I'm this, I'm that, I only God me see, not even my mama, my papa, I God heal me. I'm alone, I owe something right now, I don't owe nothing. So I don't want nobody to call my phone like my own or something. I got alone, I owe, yeah.
You know, when I saw this, I said, what go on now? All Lisa just flip the script, you know. All little know.
Oh, I mean, I like people. I trick on you know. I talk less and use this. And I'm a two-sided brain I work now. The black gone. The black one I did put on the left side, it gone. My third eye open my back. Watch me on a blood clot. Take my life, you know.
Jaja, God. Jaja.
I'm a good man. Siva, big up yourself, my brother. Know yourself. Your sister go buy you a jelly bed, cause that way you get a fuck with. Yeah.
Yes, my people, this is just my reaction. I know the video has been out there for a few days now, but when me hear Lisa say this, I said, Jaja, well, Lisa pretty like what Foota say and other people are saying, you know, Shawn should I get a better Benz. That come out of her mouth, shook up the internet. You see what I say?
Oh, Mooney to get bum buckler then. And you get X1 dimmer. Mooney do 13 years. Hey, I that get my dark in a youth. I want to you.
I wonder how Shawn felt, vybzkartel felt when them hear this come out of Lisa Hype mouth.
Me I go buy you your bum buckler then. Mooney do bum buckler 13 years, but him I get Benz. I want to see him to slap a back clean and head boy and get Benz.
While Lisa Hype said, other people have said, oh, Mooney get Benz, and Shawn said, 30 days, get a look up. I didn't call it Walmart trolley. X1 Benz.
Pussy hole. Boy, him get bumbo clock then. Trying to make me buck him on the road too. Informer pussy hole money. What do you when them put out video about me a thief money out of the G bag? After me I try all the bumbo hole feed not drop off a stage.
People, when you hear Lisa hype style up Kartel as bumbo hole, you know what shot I take it personally. Yeah, tomorrow them vex, tomorrow them good. So be careful when I get involved, you know. Remember say Lisa says Kartel beat her in front of Shawty, and that's love. And Shawty get jealous.
Yo, batty boy money. Send the video to the man and tell the man about watch ya. My little and them can own bumbo clock money. I bank all my money for me. I hardly spend.
So basically, when Lisa hype say, you know, money carry news for get Benz, you know. Why that time is I go on a Gaza camp?
Me hardly spend here and them something. Them I buy them bumbo clock something. I bank all my money. And me I invest in my career right now. I want to know.
Remember Foota hype say Lisa vex because she not get the GLE with Kartel promise her, but him buy other people Benz, you know. She not get her GLE. That's why she pray.
Me no wear wig and eyelash and them something unless me I do video shoot, photo shoot, or me I go interview. Otherwise from that, me look like a mad homeless blood clot girl and I so me love it.
I don't know, but it look like Lisa chip get licking her with it have a shortage, you know, or it got erupted. I don't know.
Me not frightened for vanity. So you can't use no bling and trick me. Me another idiot country girl from Tavern. When it come on me yard, come sit down on my table and do what she do.
Yes, man, Vanessa Bling shot talk. When you hear she say you can't use bling and trick me, so she emphasized on the bling. Read between the lines, you know?
And as she left me yard, she go meet World Boss. Cause she did a fuck blood clot carry well live round at the back of Father Rome yard. And then she start fuck Shawn and milk box her down. And then Addy start fuck her. And the whole Gaza fuck ya. One man from the Gaza fuck me. And at the bar.
Yes, so that is Lisa Hyper speaking out and talking up a bag of things. As your Foota says, she have a whole heap of things for talk. So she refer to Vanessa Bling, say, you know, Shawn beat it and the Kartel knock it. When I say beat and knock me attack, you know, sexually, you know. Yeah, so John was that. Boy, Kartel look after all of them still, you know that. But yeah, it don't sound good still for Lisa Hype come out and lash out like that. And it did all look good when them was together with the, you know, the whole Gaza reunite and thing. But as the Foota say, she was promised a GLE from Kartel and she didn't get it. And him sister she buy Kartel, buy Mooney, Shawn, Madsus, you know, vehicles and them thing. And she still not get her vehicle yet. So and that's why she snap and where she go see her Vanessa Bling do song with Dexter Dap and Kartel and Aisha and do a song again. All them things that would help contribute to her. She get trigger off, you know. Yeah, see me and go back in that mental state there, you see it, but let me know what y'all think, my viewers and subscribers. But as I said, it not sound good for you share that about Shawn and the Benz and all of them things there, you see me? The BMW. I remember Shawn said him did one that, you know, so at the end of the day, can't really pray. Me don't know still, but let me know what y'all think in the comment section below, see? Alright, yeah man. Yes man, I'm have the next video, you know, where she did recently where she has a trick, she tricked the crowd and she'd have to call Foota Hype for make the story, the stunt solidify and thing, you know? So I'm gonna put that in a different vlog. You hear that? Big up on yourself, thanks for staying tuned and don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. It not sound good, but let me know what y'all think in the comment section below still. Me think Lisa Hype need help, you know? She need help.